Hello, my name is Prajwal. My project for English 2022 is the first problem statement of face recognition and its applications. I have built an attendance system which also measures the relative attention of students throughout the class. For every 3 minutes interval, it calculates the number of times the student is appeared in the frame. As if you look towards the camera, like from the frontal side, the face recognition is higher, so that's the logic behind it. So if you are looking somewhere else or if you're not focusing on the screen, the rate will drop. It also measures the number of minutes the student was absent or not present in front of the screen. Let's see a demonstration of it. This is the attention and attendance report of the demonstration which we just saw. The total class time was about 14 minutes. I was absent for about 2 minutes. And this graph shows my relative attendance for the times I was present. For every 2 minutes, there's a bit typo, it's 2 minutes, like every 2 minutes. Hello, so let's start our walk through the code. Like these are all the libraries I imported. The most important were the face recognition, which uses dlib, and the OpenCV, apart from Flask. Now I use SMTP lib for sending emails. I use SQLite and SQL Alchemy for managing the database which stores username and passwords of the users. These are all the forms which I created for uploading files and stuff. Now this function marks the attendance here in attendance.csv file. Then in generate frames is used for streaming the webcam live, and sendMail sends the attendance report to the instructor. And now the pickling.py file which creates a list and stores it as a pickle in encoding.txt. Instead of training the images every time, we just train it one time and use it every time. So these are all the templates, HTML files. In the static folder I have the training images. Our walk through the web app. We have 3 options, and let's start with add photos of student as an instructor. We can choose any file, give the admin key, and we can see that the image was added here in the static folder. Now to home, we can register student as an instructor. We can give any, for example, we registered the student, and now let's log in. So as we can see, when we log in, it detects our face, and every time my face is detected, the score is counted. So if I'm looking towards the camera, the score is higher. If I look sideways or some downways, it won't recognize my face as many times as it normally does. So that's the way score works. Like if you look at the screen, the score is higher. If we submit, it sends an email. So let's check our email, the score which we received. This is we just received the score. So as the class was very brief, like we just were for less than 3 minutes, so there is no graph here. It shows the total class time was about half a minute. For example, like in general, if the class is long, the attendance report is of this sort. Here the class was of 40 minutes, this was shown in our demonstration. And finally, it can also be used in movie production to find which part had audience more invested in. Thank you.